Hello Faithbook. Our gospel for today is Luke chapter 19 verse 45 to 48. This is the event where Jesus entered the temple, chases the money changers out, and declared it as a house of prayer. Jesus' concern for sincere worship and the temple's holiness is evident in this verse. This gospel also highlights how crucial it is to keep a real and pure relationship with God instead of letting business ventures take away from the temple's spiritual mission or the temple's real purpose. It makes us consider the principles we uphold in our spiritual practices and the sincerity of our personal worship. Dahil ginawang kanlungan ng mga magnanakaw ang templo, pinaalis sila ni Jesus. Hindi mahalaga na kung ang mga ito ay nagbibigay ba ng mga material na pangangailangan ng mga manlalakbay. Naniniwala si Jesus na ang templo ay isang banal na lugar at hindi ito ay para gawing lugar para sa kasalanan katulad na lamang ng panluloko. Ang nais ipahiwatig ng Gospel na Luke chapter 19 verse 45 to 48 ay ang salitang respeto. Respetuhin natin ang simbahan na siyang tahanan nating lahat. Isang senaryo na lamang dito ay halimbawa kung maaabutan mo ang iyong bahay na puno ng mga taong hindi mo naman kakilala. Sila'y pinapakialaman na ng iyong mga gamit at dinudumihan ng iba't ibang parte ng iyong bahay. Hindi ba't magagalit tayo dahil hindi nila nire-respeto ang ating bahay, lalong-lalo na tayo? Our home can be a house of prayer, a place where God will be comfortable and welcome. So let's do that in God's home too. Let's respect the temple and the church because it is a place where we can be ourselves, where we can say all the things that is burdening us. At iyon ang lugar kung saan talaga nating mararamdaman ang presensya niya. At dahil dyan, we always feel loved and blessed. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed as I enjoyed and reflected it too. Don't forget to follow Faithbook here in their YouTube channel. Download the Faithbook app and register to their website www.faithbook.ph. Thank you for watching and listening. Have a good day!